You made a few videos a few weeks ago about the Illuminati.
Mhm.
You get some blowback from those?
Well, yeah, it was shortly after that where my TikTok account was shut down. And then halfway through that video, it just blacked out. It just like YouTube literally just could not handle that and it stopped and I had to start a whole new video and it was pretty wild. Yeah. So right now, like the Illuminati is falling. Like right now, good is dying. And it's really clear to see. Like we've got Diddy, but we've got, Epstein, Weinstein, like all of this sort of corruption is coming to light. And, I think I mentioned this before, but influencers are sort of taking the space now of celebrities and the Illuminati can't recruit new members anymore.
Yeah.
So this is a really good thing that we're seeing. But I think a lot of people who are fangirls for these celebrities are going to be really disappointed to realize who their crushes and whatever idols are.
Yeah. So you think the members will start getting exposed?
I think so. I mean, ideally, I would love to see, a big A-list celebrity shapeshift in front of a million people.
That'd be nuts.
That would be full disclosure, like in an instant of what they've been doing this whole time. So for me, like that's the hope I'm holding. But I think that we're going to get kind of more of a slower rollout, like we've seen.
Yeah. Well, there was the Katy Perry eye twitch thing. Did you see that?
Oh yeah, her like glitching on stage.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's been a lot of those, like a lot of celebrities over the years. Just a lot of that, unfortunately, is like MK Ultra programming, and they just like drug these people up like they're puppets, right? For their games. So those people keep us distracted.
Yeah.
That's really what it is. Sports are the same thing. I hate to say it. People hate to hear it, but sports are just one big distraction from the truth.
Wow.
Politics is the same thing. It's one big distraction from the truth. If you're attached to one side or another, then you're not seeing behind what you're feeding into the game, So that's why I'm so removed. Like I could never do trivia night. Like I am like just like so anti-pop culture. Like I just, even as a kid, like I never had an idol. I never had a celebrity or a musician or a band that I was into because I just really saw through the bullshit right away.
That's impressive as a kid, because as a kid, it's very easy to idolize people.
All my friends, Hillary Duff, Blink-182, and they say, yeah, that was the thing. I just never understood it. I never had posters on my wall, like never.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
And was that just your own intuition or your?
Yeah, it was just, I just could never understand how someone could idolize someone else. Like it just never made sense to me. And when I was a little bit older, like around 18, I was really sad that I never had an idol or I never had a mentor or I never had a teacher. I literally have never had anyone that I really looked up to say, I want to be like them, and I think that was sad for me for a little while.
Yeah.
And then I got over that. I'm like, okay, I can be my own teacher. And that's a beautiful thing. And that's what I encourage other people to do.
Yeah.
Question everything, question even me, and find your own thing.
Mm-hmm.
I always say that we are all students of the universe and teachers of its knowledge. We're students and teachers. So the best teachers are always even better students.
And you're very aware of the content you consume.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, no, I have to be. So I can't consume any spiritual content or alien UFO content. So not only am I like against pop culture and politics and everything that's going on mainstream in the world, but then I like don't even consume content in my own space because I have to keep my perception so clear about what I am receiving. I don't want to front load my perception.
So do you even have a television?
I do. Yeah.
Okay. So you watch Netflix and stuff?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Just very picky of what shows?
Yeah. Just like really mind melting, like love on the spectrum.
The autism one?
Yeah, the autism.
Yeah, I've seen clips of that.
Oh my God. It's so beautiful. You have to watch it.
That's a cute show.
Yeah,
6 cute couples from there.
Yeah, exactly. So that kind of stuff. But I try and stay away from anything in my space.
Yeah, it's so easy to, I just found out yesterday at the Zach Bagans Museum that demons can, if you watch like a scary movie, like they can kind of get more and closer to you.
It just lowers your frequency, so you're just more susceptible.
Yeah.
It's really what it comes down to.
Which is nuts, right?
Yeah.
Just watching a horror movie.
Yeah, but also like if you travel a lot, like you can pick up entities from other people in airports.
Really?
On a plane. Yeah, they can like hop around.
Oh my God.
I know. It doesn't mean that you're not supposed to go out and do anything. It just means you should have like some cleansing practices. Obviously, things like crystals, like if you can raise the vibration of your living situation, then they can't really come into your home.
I could see that because whenever I sleep at hotels, I have nightmares.
Yeah.
It's the previous person's energies, residue, right?
Yep, exactly. So I always kind of do some energetic clearing and bubbling and white light, a lot of white light work. But I'm very sensitive and aware of different frequencies and energies.
Yeah. What's bubbling?
So like if I go anywhere, I will like put an energetic bubble around my body or around my family's like body. And then I'll also like energetically bubble, say my car, if I'm doing a road trip somewhere. And that bubble is just to protect me from anything that's not of the same frequency.
Wow.
Which is so cool because when you walk around and you have bubbled yourself and are aligning to just your frequency, you always end up meeting people who align to your frequency.
Really?
Like I could go to a coffee shop and just bump into someone who's like all about aliens or something. You know what I mean?
Interesting.
Anywhere I go, I meet these like little diamonds in the rough. Yeah.
It's like that famous quote, you are what you attract.
Yeah. Frequency attracts frequency.
Yeah.
You know? So it's just being intentional about who you are and how you walk around and who you interact with as well.
Wherever you guys are watching this show, I would truly appreciate it if you follow or subscribe. It helps a lot with the algorithm. It helps us get bigger and better guests, and it helps us grow the team. Truly means a lot. Thank you guys for supporting, and here's the episode.